How can I delete my Facebook profile or my Facebook data just on my Facebook application right on my Android device? So this is how you can exactly do it. For this, what you have to do is simply find the Facebook application on your Android device or iPhone. Also, you can do the same format on the both phones. Here you have to click on your Facebook app and then open it like this. Like this is my home screen. I'm going to click on the three lines on the right top of the screen. Scroll down here, go to the accounts center, that is your account management center of your Facebook account, and then you simply have to delete your account. Deleting your data means deleting your account. You simply have to delete your Facebook account, and then you will be able to delete your data successfully. In this setting, click on the main setting from right here. That will redirect you to the meta management section. See in more account center. Here you have to scroll down, then found account ownership and control options. From privacy and security, and then after that you can simply delete your account, your information and permissions, your activity of meta technologies, access your information. Now from this menu you can simply delete all the history or information you have on your device like this. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video.